Hey everyone, it's Technical Wizard here, and today on Craigslist I saw something that I could absolutely just not pass up. I went and picked it up, not knowing if it works, and I brought it back, and we're going to see what it is. Here we have an iBook G3 Clamshell Special Edition, boxed. I haven't opened it yet, but when I went to look at it, it looked in alright condition. When I took it out of the box, it was just really faded and the little disk drive thing was cracked. But it has the 466 MHz processor, the 10 gig hard drive, which said it didn't work, but I have no clue. So I took a pretty big gamble, but if it doesn't, oh well, I'll just work on it. But all the box stuff, blah blah blah. So we can go ahead and open this. Here we have the little accessory kit. We'll go ahead and open that first. Got the original yo-yo charger with the little plug that goes to it. Apple stickers, always nice. The iBook manuals and stuff. Apple Care. Ooh, old coupons. I wonder if I took them up to the Apple store, what they'd say about it. But nothing interesting in there. Most of that stuff's just expired. Just go ahead and put all that back in. Let's see here. This is the graphite color. I still have these two to look for, because I gave my indigo one to our dog. But here is the computer. I'll go ahead and get it out. And here it is. Let's see if the little disk drive thing's in there. There's a piece to it. Alright, so here's the computer. It's all faded on here, but it's no big deal. A little stem to the Apple logo is missing. It's all faded down here. Disk drive thing was cracked, as I said. And you can see there's a battery in there. Let's see, is it not over here? Alright, I'll just look for it in a little bit, because when I looked at the computer it was in the box somewhere, but I probably lost it knowing me. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anywhere. I probably left it, but oh well. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Go ahead and get all this going. Let's go ahead and plug this up. I'm trying to do this in one take, but it's probably going to be really Mickey Mouse at it since I didn't bring my tripod. Plug this up. Okay, there's no light. That's not a good sign. Knowing this battery and this computer, it's probably been in storage for a while. It's probably stone dead. Ooh. Ooh. Try twisting it a little. No, nothing. Alright everyone, so it is late in the evening after I got some food and whatnot. The issue with this computer was that the old charger was defective, so I plugged mine in because I had an extra one. We got a light, but you have to position it right on the specific laptop, otherwise it won't do anything, which is a shame because I'll have to crack it open and mess with the AC jack some. And it's got an A key missing right there, but I don't think that's too big of an issue. And the display didn't look damaged, so we'll go ahead and power it up in 3, 2, 1. We have a bong and a hard drive. Now we got a flash folder. happy face. So, judging by its style, it's probably OS 9. OS 9.2. Kind of figured that, judging by the way the screen looked when I booted it. Alright, got the original background, which is nice. It's got Norton on it or something. Close that out. Network time error, probably because this battery's stone dead. Because looking at the side, it's got the little orange thing on it, but who knows if it charges. Let's see, about this computer. It's got 128 megabytes of RAM, so they may have added some, but I'm not sure. X that out and go to the profiler. Okay, 466 megahertz. Let's go ahead and go to the system devices. Hard drive, Toshiba 10 gigabyte. I do not like these hard drives one bit, so I'll probably be replacing it whenever I get around to it. Original DVD-ROM drive, yep, I was right. So yeah, this computer is going to be in the G3 collection, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little video of seeing if it'll even boot, and more videos to come of it in the future. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and hit the bell, and I'll be seeing y'all later.